The next big Apple event, scheduled for September 12 with the tagline "Wonderless," is already creating the buzz around the next iPhone, this time the iPhone 15 series. As per various reports, the iPhone 15 series will have four models, with the iPhone 15 Pro Max being the flagship offering. Unlike last year, where the two Pro iPhones were almost identical, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is said to get a different treatment and is likely to introduce some exclusive Apple-first features, making it the go-to iPhone for anyone who wants nothing but the best. Here's everything we know so far about the Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max. The flagship iPhone 15 Pro Max is expected to get some substantial design and build quality upgrades over its predecessor. To begin with the construction materials, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is touted to be one of the first iPhones to feature a titanium midframe, which will help Apple enhance its robustness and reduce weight at the same time. While earlier reports predicted that Apple would replace regular volume buttons with solid-state buttons, a report by Ming-Chi Kuo suggests that Apple retained regular buttons due to unresolved technical issues. Apple's choice of titanium instead of stainless steel is said to benefit the iPhone 15 Pro Max in various aspects, including the enhancement of the structural rigidity of the device, as titanium is stronger and lighter than stainless steel. While the iPhone 15 Pro Max continues to offer a slightly boxy design, according to a leak by Redditor, the frame will have a curved finish and feature a USB Type-C port. According to the McRumors, Apple will also replace the mute switch with an action button, similar to the one on the Apple Watch Ultra. iPhone 15 Pro Max is said to get an enhanced USB Type-C port when compared to the base model. The new Type-C charging port on the iPhone 15 Pro Max is said to be compliant with USB 4 and Thunderbolt 3 technology. A leaked image from Charger Lab affirms this, with a new Type-C module consisting of a Thunderbolt chip. Be mindful that the iPhone 15 and the iPhone 15 Plus are expected to offer USB 2.0 data transfer speed, despite the feature a USB Type-C port. Deciphering the Apple logo on the Wonderlust event invite, a new iPhone 15 Pro Max could come in newer color options, such as dark blue, black, silver, and gray. Unlike the iPhone 14 Pro Max, which feature a matte glass back and a glossy frame, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is said to offer a matte back panel and a matte frame, which should make it fingerprint and smudge resilient. A new report from 9to5Mac suggests Apple might discontinue the gold variant for the iPhone 15 Pro Max with a new titanium-based gray color. iPhone 15 Pro Max is said to feature a large 6.7-inch screen with dynamic island, similar to the one on its predecessor. A report from Shrimp Apple Pro and Bloomberg suggests that the new panel, manufactured using the cutting-edge low-injection pressure overmolding or LiPo process, will further reduce the bezel size to 1.55 millimeters. On top of that, LiPo display tech is also said to help Apple to make the iPhone 15 Pro Max slightly thinner. iPhone 15 Pro Max will feature Apple's cutting-edge A17 Bionic chip. According to a leak by Unknowns21, the SoC will feature a 6-core CPU and 6-core GPU design. This processor is reported to be manufactured using TSMC's cutting-edge 3-nanometer process, which will make it more power-efficient than a 16 Bionic, a chip fab using a 4-nanometer process. Another leak from Unknowns21 suggested that the iPhone 15 Pro Max might offer 8 GB of RAM, a first for an iPhone. However, it could be limited to the higher storage variant. With the new chip, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is said to be 10 to 15% more powerful than its predecessor, and the additional graphics core is likely to make the iPhone 15 Pro Max the best gaming smartphone. The iPhone 15 Pro Max is reported to be Apple's best camera smartphone yet. The triple camera solution is likely to include a 48MP primary shooter, a 12MP ultra-wide-angle lens, and for the first time, the iPhone 15 Pro Max will feature a periscope zoom lens, similar to the one on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Enable iPhone the first time to deliver 5x/6x optical zooming capability. Again, according to Redditor, this will be an iPhone 15 Pro Max exclusive feature. The iPhone 15 Pro Max is also said to get a slightly bigger battery, which when paired with a more efficient A17 Bionic chip, should deliver enhanced battery life. According to a report from iHome, the iPhone 15 Pro Max will get a massive 4852 mAh battery, the biggest battery ever on an iPhone, and the device is also expected to support up to 33 EU fast charging via the USB Type-C port. Apple is said to increase the prices of the iPhone 15 Pro and the iPhone 15 Pro Max by at least $100. This means the iPhone 15 Pro Max might start around $1,199 for the 128GB variant. Similarly, this time around, Apple is expected to offer up to 2 TB of internal storage, which will make it one of the first mainstream smartphones to offer this amount of memory on a smartphone. So guys, there are some of the latest leaks and news for iPhone 15 series. Any guys, what are thoughts on this? Let us know in comment section. Thanks for watching. Peace out.